Hello, everybody. On August 18th, 2022, the United States Mint offered the 2022 American Liberty High Relief Silver Medal for sale to the public. In only an hour or so, the entire offering of 75,000 medals was sold. They sold out that first day. They were originally sold for $75 each. And by the end of the day, examples were trading for $100 to $125 or more per medal in the aftermarket. This medal here was based on the 2022 American Liberty Gold. Sorry, the 2021 American Liberty High Relief Gold coin. $100 face value coin featuring the horse as a representation of liberty on the obverse and a really sweet eagle, close-up eagle on the reverse. Let's go ahead, open this up. I was lucky enough to be able to get a couple of these. And let's see if we can get into this without too much trouble. There we go. All right. Well protected with lots of bubble wrap. Very nice to see. And there is the box, 2022 American Liberty Silver. There's some packing slip. I want to slide that out right away before we see any personal information that may or may not be on there. Very good. And there it is. Wow, pretty impressive box compared to some of their other packaging they've had, like for the Silver Eagles and the 2021 Morgan and Peace dollars. This looks a little nicer. There we see it, 2022 American Liberty Silver Medal. Got the slip case. There's the box. We open the box. There is the certificate of authenticity, and there's the horse from the obverse design. You guys can see all the information there, 1 troy ounce. Now remember, the gold medal from the year before, or what's actually gold coin, was also 1 ounce of gold. Gold being much more dense, that piece was much smaller than this one. This one here, it says it's 40.6 millimeters in diameter. Not sure exactly the diameter of this one, or of the gold offhand. I don't have one in front of me. But gold being more dense, it would be smaller. Let's get this out of here. Lots of Mint employee fingerprints all over the piece here. Very nice. And there we have it, right there. 2022 Liberty. Let's take a look at this. If we can get that out of there. Perfect. Wow. Very impressive. My first impression is I've seen these on the gold coins from 2021. I've seen this design. Much more impressive in hand on this silver. Again, it's a larger coin, so you get to see it a lot better. Larger metal, I should say. Again, this is metal turned because it's a metal. The coin we would have flipped this way, but this is a metal. And that eagle is just awesome. That is a sweet looking eagle right there. Wow. Great design. Glad I was able to pick one of these up from the Mint at the issue price. Let me know if you were able to get one of these as well in the comments below, or if you were unlucky and not able to get one of those in. Fortunately for you, if you weren't able to get one of these, I was able to get a few extras from the Mint. So if you need one of these, let me know and I might be able to help you out. There you have it, the 2022 American Liberty Silver Medal. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this? I mean, I kind of wish it was issued as a coin, but that requires all kinds of special legislation. But you know what? I'll take it. A nice high relief silver medal from the Mint. Again, a lot of people were turned off by the price, $75. But remember, you guys always, I mean, they sell tons and tons of proof silver eagles, same size and weight, for $73, $75, $85, somewhere in that range too. So not that much different. Not that much different in price if you're looking at it that way. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you around YouTube.